Hi student, Architecture 122 for assignment number 1, sketch an object. Today I try to combine between PowerPoint and Sketch to show you the way how to sketch more easier than. So first of all, you need to close one eye and use one pencil. Stand far away from the objects and you try to close one eye to measure that. For example, right here I use my pencil, stand far away from the objects, and I measure from the top to the bottom. I call that the height from the objects, and I mark in the pencil. And after that I do the same thing from the left from the object to the right side from the projects, and I do the property line right here. It's around right here, and this line is from vertical because I want to make the proportion between vertical and horizontal, so that's why I mark the vertical right here. And after that I remember projects from the horizontal right here, and finally I figure out that is around 8/7, that proportion between the height and the width. The height is 8 and the width is 7. After you have the proportion, you create the box. On the left side you see on of the architecture scale, you see the number right here. They stand for the unit they convert, and when they use like that, that means they use the scale from 1/8 equal 1 foot 0 inches. Same thing with that, you can see 1.5, 3/8, 3/16 or 16, something like that. That means the unit they want to convert smaller to the real scale, so that's why you can see like that. So in this homework I need you to use the scale 1 inches equal 1 foot 0 inches. So if you see right here number 1, that means the scale I want you to use is 1 inches. If the other scale is 1/4, that means I want you to do 1/4 equal 1 foot 0 inches. But this homework I need you to use 1 inches equal 1 foot 0 inches. So you use this one. You can see the number 1 right here. And you start to measure from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 7 and up to 8. I need you to use this scale to measure and create one box with the width is 7 and the height is 8. That means I need to use for the unit is 7 feet and 8 feet for this one. Okay, after you create the box, you need to divide smaller. With the height you divide by 4. Just assume half and you draw a line. After that you divide half more. Do the same thing with the vertical. You do the line in the half, and after that divide half more. So now you create 16 small box before you start. After you create this one, next step is you create the line. This is I call that the first angle lines, and you can create one line in the small box distance right here. You can start more than 1/3, and you start from this point and draw around 35 degrees up. So you have the angle right here is around 35 degrees. This is the first angle line. Continue to do many angle line like this, and on of this line parallel with the first angle you create. You also do the other one, the angle line, which one is perpendicular with the one you create before, angle lines. And you do many lines like this. Continue like this. On of the line you show right here, they call that contraction lines. Contraction lines is the line to support for your projects later when you sketch or you draw. So you call that contraction line. You create many lines like that, and this one you try the best to do very light, because later when you sketch the objects you need darker. Okay, continue. You can start any part from the the sketch. For example, the sketch right here, you can start from here. You can start from here, or you can start from the cylinder on the top one. However, everything you can start, you can focus on that one when you sketch. So now, for example, this one, you can start from this one, and you do the straight line from you know, the end point from the angle line. You can do the straight line. After that, you have the small straight line, and this line is the line you create before perpendicular with the angle line. You can do like this, and the distance it's look like this. You do another straight line, and this one, if you know how long for each of them, you can compare with the original one like this. After you create the box, and you can see, for example, this is half, this is the small box, and the line it should be like this, and you can measure that belong to the line you create in the small box. Okay, after you do this one, you do continue with the half cylinder right here. You can do the curve right here, the curve right here, and continue with that to the straight line before you start with the circle right here, for example, like this. Okay, you can start right here. So now I need you to sketch up them. The first one, you create the line right here, create the face right here with the rectangular. After that, you do the curve right here for the half cylinder. This one and this one is the line parallel together, and this line is perpendicular with the angle line you create before. This is the angle line. Before, you can create many parallel with the angle lines. You continue with that. You can draw this one for the circle and the shadow from the circle. This angle line, you can do the next one, do the straight line cover for the circle, and you continue with that. Another cylinder, continue with this one, and up a little bit, go straight line right here, straight line. On up the line, you remember three things: straight line, angle line, and the vertical from the angle line. This is the vertical from angle line, this is the angle line, and the straight line. The straight line is the line parallel with the line you create the small box before. This is the second circle. You can start from here. This is the line angle, and this is the vertical with the angle, and you start with this. This is the first box, and this is a little bit from the second box, and you can start from 1/4 from this one, then curve this one, and you start this one to do the half from cylinder with the curve combined with this one. So on at the sketch line right here, you keep parallel, vertical, angle line, straight line, angle, and vertical with the angle lines. So you do whole thing like this on the sketch. After that, you look at the original one. If you feel that the one you sketched not really close with the one on the object, you can practice again. And the way to do is just start like the way I show you how to do. Start with the box, divide for the small box, angle line, many angle line, and the vertical with the angle line you call contraction line, and you can start from here or from there. Do again the way similar like that until you see the sketch is similar with the one on original, and you can submit for me this one. Okay, practice is the one you do very good on manual drafting. So if you do the first one, you not agree with that, sketch that, or you sketch the line, but it's not really, you know, when you look again, it's not really good. You can do many lines. That's it, the sketch one. You can do many lines, not just one line. Okay, for the sketch one. Okay, that's it for assignment number one. I hope you do very good, and I hope this one is show you more detail how to start and how do you sketch for the objects. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.